Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making continuity work. This is the core requirement. Sign into the same Apple ID on both devices and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Once done, open your iPhone settings, go to Phone, then Calls on other devices, allow your Mac. This grants the handshake that routes cellular calls to your computer. Make sure FaceTime is signed in on the Mac. This ensures audio routing and call controls appear where you expect them. Now you place the call. Open Contacts, FaceTime, or any web page with a phone number and click the phone icon or FaceTime audio. This uses your iPhone's cellular connection via continuity. Once connected, manage volume and mic from the Mac or switch to a headset for clarity. If you need to add a person, use the FaceTime window to merge or switch to a conference. Otherwise, hold and resume from the touch bar or menu bar controls. This keeps audio local to your Mac, while the iPhone handles the cellular link. To finish, click the red Hang Up button on the Mac. The iPhone call log still records the call. If audio is missing, first check system settings sound and select the proper input and output, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If calls won't initiate, sign out and back into FaceTime, or reboot both devices to reset continuity. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure both devices are on the same local network and that the iPhone has cellular signal. Without that, calls cannot bridge through the Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.